Okay, bases, this is your training video for storm chasers. And you look here at the very beginning, there's a tempo for the first 9 measures of Misterioso, about 76 beats a minute. Just a little bit faster than 1 beat per second. And then it changes at 10 to twice that fast. Now we're in the key of C major from the key signature, but you notice that things start and end on the A, and A seems to be sort of a home base pitch. If you look through here, okay, it sort of dominates. And that's going to let us know that we're really in the key of A minor. Okay? Now, if you'll look, you'll see some repetitive rhythms. When you look at like 13 through 18, that's going to come back. Okay, there, 55 through 60. Okay, so you have repetitive rhythms. You have some dynamic changes and articulations that we need to watch very closely. Okay, some forte pianos, which we need to hit very firmly and hard and strong, and then get off of them very quickly. So here we go. This is kind of a fun piece to listen to. The bass part really is pretty easy. I think you'll find. So here we go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Here's an accent crescendo. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. Ready to go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now we have these F naturals right here. So that's why I'm doing some half position. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2. Now I'm going to hit this pause button right there. Let's look at 44. Okay, look at that rhythm right there. 1 and 4, 1 and 4 and 1 and 4, 1, 4, 3 and 4 and 1 and 4, 1 and 4 and 1, okay, and so on. So let's try that right there at 44 one more time, just to help get that solid. 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1. One more time, back at 41. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, and 2, 4, 1, rest, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, ready, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, now let's look at that very last, actually line in 2 measures. Okay, starting at measure 68, you have bum, 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 1 and 4, bum, 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 1 and 4. Okay, starting 68 one more time. Kind of a nice rhythm there for the basses. 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 2. Big slur and crescendoing onto 2 heavy accents at the end.